My name is Asia Hayden, and I am a mother of two. I have my daughter Marin, who's 4, and my son Oliver. He's just about to turn 3 months. My midwife is forever Sherry Hopkins of Rounded Momma, and my experience with her, she brought both of my beautiful babies into this world. She brought my daughter Marin in 4 years ago at home in a beautiful environment, safe, protected. She just took really good care. She made all my wellness visits very comfortable. I could ask her as many questions as I had, which were 1,000 as a first-time mom, first-time pregnancy. Everything was just a lot. So anytime I was confused, I could reach out to her at any time of the day and she would reassure me that everything was fine, or to come in and we'd look a little bit deeper into it. But yeah, my first experience was amazing. So 4 years later, I got pregnant with my son Oliver and couldn't think of anyone else to go to bring this baby in the world. So came right back to Sherry, and again, beautiful birth at home. Her assistant Ariel came to my house right when I needed her, made sure I was safe and comforted. And then Sherry popped up and everything was amazing. I mean, obviously the contractions were a little bit much, and both babies were born in the exact same spot at home, which I think is so beautiful, right in the bathroom. Just amazing. I couldn't recommend anyone in this world to bring your baby into the world. She makes you feel safe and heard and loved and truly cared for. So if you want the best midwife, go with Sherry Hopkins.